Hey video editors, imagine starting off your videos with this tonal hit. Then fade in 2 musical drones underneath. A little violin melody to go with that. Now build it up with 1 tonal transition and 2 hits.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses.
A little Imagine Dragons vocal.
Look at me, took the mission, come make me, let me sing it from heart.
Now build everything up with 3 musical risers.
Speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the...
And the main song comes back in. Pretty freaking cool, right? This is all made possible with the Film Score collections. Tonal sound effects in all 12 keys, where you can just simply drag and drop cinematic sounds to create your own music from scratch. And I promise you don't need to know a ton about music theory or becoming a DJ. This stuff is super, super easy and super possible for you to learn.